In Windows 1.0, November 20th, 1985, the first version of Windows introduced a graphical user interface, GUI, on top of MS-DOS. Windows 2.0, 1987, improved version of Windows 1.0 supporting better graphics, multitasking and keyboard shortcuts. Windows 3. May 22nd, 1990, introduced better graphics, multitasking and virtual memory support, making Windows more user-friendly. Windows 3.1, April 6th, 1992, added TrueType fonts and multimedia capabilities and was more stable for business applications. Windows 95, August 24th, 1995, introduced the Start menu, taskbar, plug-and-play, and 32-bit computing. A major leap for Windows. Windows 98, June 25th, 1998, built on Windows 95 with better hardware support and improved integration with the Internet. Windows ME, Millennium Edition, September 14th, 2000, designed for home users with enhanced multimedia features and system restore tools. Windows XP, October 25th, 2001, popular for its stability, new user interface and compatibility with a wide range of hardware. Windows Vista, January 30th, 2007, introduced the Aero interface with a focus on security but faced performance issues. Windows 7, October 22nd, 2009, widely praised for its performance and interface, fixing many issues present in Vista. Windows 8, October 26th, 2012, introduced a new Metro UI aimed at creating a unified experience for PCs and tablets. Windows 8.1, October 17, 2013, an update to Windows 8 restoring the Start button and adding new customization options. Windows 10, July 29th, 2015, unified platform for desktops, tablets, and phones with features like Cortana and Edge browser. Windows 11, October 5th, 2021, introduced a new design with centered Start menu, better multitasking, and support for gaming. Microsoft Office published dates and details. Office published date, details. So, Office point aiming. Office 1.0, August 1st, 1990, the first version, which included Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint all bundled together. Office 3.0, September 30th, 1992, first version to include support for Windows and additional integrated features. Office 4.0, August 1993, introduced access and further integration across all Office applications. Office 95, August 24th, 1995. First 32-bit version designed for Windows 95 included Outlook and new user interface design. Office 97, January 16th, 1997, introduced the Office Assistant, Clip-It, and new features like Visual Basic for Applications VBA. Office 2000, June 7th, 1999, focused on web integration, allowing users to publish documents to the web easily. Office XP, May 31st, 2001, introduced task pane, smarter document recovery, and focused on stability and security. Office 2003, October 21st, 2003, XML-based file formats introduced, along with new collaboration tools. Office 2007, January 30th, 2007, major interface overhaul with the introduction of the ribbon, replacing traditional menus. Office 2010, June 15th, 2010, enhanced ribbon interface, cloud-based integration, and introduced Office web apps. Office 2013, January 29th, 2013, redesigned for touch interfaces, integrated more deeply with cloud services like OneDrive. Office 22nd, 2015, focused on cloud collaboration, real-time co-authoring, and better integration with OneDrive. Office 2019, September 24th, 2018, a one-time purchase version similar to Office 365 but without the full cloud-based features. Office 2021, October 5th, 2021, released alongside Windows 11, offering performance improvements, new collaboration tools, and a refreshed interface.